while you were in the car wash. In the car wash. I was
kicking dirt, I saw.
Kicking dirt outside. Dude, do you know how many treasures come out of people's cars? Hey guys, it is Sonia and it is Vlogmas Day 23. We are leaving the car wash. At the car wash. Okay, not a big fan of the car wash. I gotta tell you, not a big fan of the car wash. Bye-bye car wash. There's no snow, as you can see, just really dirty cars, just lots of muddy, dirty cars. We can build a snowman out of mud today. So yeah, I am not that person that likes an enclosed car wash, okay? I can do the open air car wash, but at any point, I do not want to be stuck inside with all those machines doing what they do, feeling like I'm trapped. Anybody else with me? Because Matt doesn't feel that way. You don't feel that way, do you?
No.
Everybody has their things. For me, it's claustrophobia. Cannot do that, cannot do that. Whew. All right, so I just waited for Matt on the other side, got out and walked. Anybody else ever do that? The husband just loves it when you do that. But I had a great idea while I was sitting there.
Oh, God.
Yes, seriously. So I love metal detecting. I'm a treasure hunter, people. I just think that maybe like in a former life I was a treasure hunter. Like, you know, we have taken what do you call it? We have taken the metal detector to the beach with us. Oh, I always have great plans of getting up super early before anybody else gets to the beach. Oh, look, there's some chickens on the side of the road. But yeah, before anybody gets to the beach, that never quite works out, like early. They say if you metal detect, like, you know, right in the morning, that your potential is greater than when everybody hits the beach. You know what I'm saying? The tide can bring some really cool stuff in, and you don't have to mess with all those people. But anyway, yeah, last time I was at the beach, I was actually talking to one of the guys that were on the beach doing metal detecting, because I'm like, oh man, that is my dream job right there. Well, not really. I'm doing my dream job. But listen, Linda, if I had some extra time in my life, I would move to the beach and I would metal detect. Is that a job? I have dreams of finding.
That's a hobby.
That's a hobby? Okay. Yeah. We've done lots of metal detecting like around here in Pennsylvania, in the woods and on the trails and that sort of stuff. Haven't really found anything. I'm trying to think the biggest thing that we ever found.
Well, we'd have to go down towards the battlefields and stuff like that, but most of that's on private property. So.
Yeah, this is true. This is true. You have the metal detect on the property that you're allowed to. But anyway, here's my idea. Here's why I'm even talking about metal detecting. Because, Matt, while you were in the car wash, in the car wash, I was
kicking dirt, I saw.
Kicking dirt outside. Dude, do you know how many treasures come out of people's cars? And they spray them out in all those, like, sprayer sections?
Okay.
Listen, there was, like, I was just looking at the ground going, holy crap. Like, do you know how much stuff is down here? I'm sure there's change probably buried there, you know, that you just, like, let it go.
I found something. You're like...
No, like, I was kicking. I didn't touch anything. But it was, like, because it was all, like, muddy and stuff. But there was, honestly, there was makeup. There was air fresheners. There was bolts and, like, stuff that you would find in your cubbies.
Stuff that you wouldn't want.
Yeah, well, what I'm saying is imagine with a metal detector, you know, like what you would find. Like, I just think that would be fun. Yeah, like metal detecting at the car wash. Has anybody ever metal detected the car wash before? I'm just thinking treasures, car treasures, you know? I used to work at a very, very large four-season resort here on the East Coast, one of the biggest ones. And I know that they don't allow metal detecting, but I do know that the people that have been authorized to do it have shared that, you know, all the stuff that falls out of pockets when people are on, yeah, like ski lifts.
Yeah, I used to find all kinds of stuff on ski lifts.
And so, of course, when the snow melts, everything just goes into the ground, right? I don't know. It's like junking for furniture, you know? It's like going out and finding one person's, you know, junk is another person's treasure. The idea of going out and just, you know, finding stuff. I love it. All right. All right, people. We've got 2 days left. It's happy Christmas. Happy Christmas Eve. Let's go shopping. So today we're going to head out to the big city. We, of course, live in the countryside outside of Pittsburgh, and today we are going to go into the big city. The country mouse goes in to meet the city mouse. Here we go. there's gloves and a scarf over there on top of the parking entrance. Woohoo! This is Matt Stein right here, ready to Junk Monkey sticker for the bottom. So Matt's gift this year from me and Riley was a membership to the Stein Masters Club. This is where everybody comes in, has their Steins, it's all locked up. And I love how they've all personalized them, right?
3 seconds, he kicks it, they win.
Big John.
Philly, I don't like Philly that much, but it's still interesting.
Still City.
He misses it, they lose.
We're going to turn off Matt's Steelers. You know what? It's Sunday night, and actually it worked out quite nice to be out in the stores tonight, just out in public, you know, in all those big public places, because I was saying to Matt that there seems to be very few people out, and he reminded me that the Steelers are playing right now. It's an important game, so everybody here in the Pittsburgh area is probably home tied to their TVs, right? Like Matt is tied to his radio. Today was a great day to be out and about. Man, it feels like we were around the world and back again, and we're just pulling in here now to the driveway. Matt's going to take off, visit his dad for a few moments. I'm going to go ahead and head inside and edit this video. But as we close out today, and so this is the time of the video where we go ahead and we holler at somebody's name for those $20 in banana bucks that we put up for grabs. So your question yesterday was comment below, and the question was, tell me what your favorite animal was, right? Because we were working on the project with the farm animals. So our winner for today is Angela Ponce. Angela Ponce, she writes, happy birthday, Sonia. I hope you have a great day. It was terrific, Angela. She says, my favorite animals are dogs, all dogs, and each breed is so different, but the ones I have met have been all so full of love. So true. When I go in through the door, my dogs will start to bark, and they'll be there to greet me and to say hello. We have 2 dogs, 2 Chihuahuas, and one is part Yorkie as well. And she's the girl with a whole lot of toot, let me just tell you that. So Angela, you know what you have to do, girl. Just email me at junkmonkeypaint@gmail.com to collect your 20 big bananas to use on our website at junkmonkeypaint.com. Make sure you do it within 24 hours as of your name being called here on our YouTube channel. And the time starts as soon as this video is posted. So I'll be waiting for you. So let's throw out another 20 big bananas just for the fun of it. And Matt came up with a question tonight for today's vlog. And tomorrow, tune in to see if I holler out your name. The question for for you guys to answer today is, what are your favorite holiday traditions? Okay, type it below. You know what you have to do. Subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then answer Matt's question below with a lovely comment. I can't wait to hear what you guys do out there for traditions. All right, speaking of making memories, I'm gonna head inside. I'm gonna edit this video and make a video and put it up here on my channel. Thank you for hanging out with me today in my vlog. Tomorrow I will be back again. All right, I'll see you guys then. Bye.